Ferrari has always been known for their big V12s, twin-turbo V8s, but this time it's a V6. Not an ordinary V6, it's an hybrid. Ferrari has finally taken the wraps of their all-new 296 GTB, its latest model in the lineup that features an all-new hybrid V6 instead of the traditional mid-mounted V8 engine. In this video, I'm going to give you guys a detailed information about the 296 GTB and what makes it more special. The 296 GTB's numerical designation is a reference to its 2996cc 6-cylinder engine, and the GTB stands for Gran Turismo Berlinetta moniker, which established it as the latest in a long line of Ferrari sports cars from the mid-1950s. Ferrari has launched this car to give competition to the McLaren Artura V6 plug-in hybrid that is arriving to replace the existing car, the 570S. This car totally looks like a smaller version of the SF90 Stradale. It has a quite clean, flat front end with the horizontal set headlights sitting above the wide grille. The side of the 296 GTB is pretty uncluttered too, with a little in the way of creases and vents except for a large intake to feed air into the engine. At the back, the current Ferrari trend of squared twin tail lights carries on, but with one LED stretching through both rather than the outline being illuminated. There is a functional carbon fiber diffuser too, with one large exhaust sitting just above the center of it. Hiding away a standstill is an active rear wing which adds an additional downforce of 100 kg when deployed. Now let's talk about the interior of the 296 GTB. The cabin of the Ferrari 296 GTB takes on a pretty minimalist approach with a rather uncluttered dashboard that devoids of buttons. There isn't even a central information system. Instead of that, media and navigation functions are housed in a digital driver's display. You can opt for a screen on the passenger side too, which displays revs, speed and the current gear. The startup button for this car is not even a button, rather it's a touchpad that can be seen in Ferrari Roma 2. The 296 GTB's twin turbocharged 3-liter unit is an all-new bespoke power plant developed in-house by Ferrari, which produces 654 horsepower, which is equivalent to 218 horsepower per liter. In first for a Ferrari, the twin turbochargers sit between the cylinder banks, a layout chosen for its more compact packaging, lower center of gravity and reduced engine mass. The aluminum block's wide angle 120-degree configuration also means that the turbos can sit centrally, shortening the distance to the combustion chamber for maximum intake efficiency. Despite its forced aspiration, relatively small size, the new V6 is claimed to be having the harmony of the high-frequency notes of a naturally aspirated V12 as used by the Ferrari's top-rung GT models. The V6 is coupled to an electric motor also at the rear for the first time in a Ferrari hybrid, mounted ahead of the 8-speed automatic gearbox that produces 166 horsepower to take the system's combined output to 830 horsepower. That's 110 horsepower more than the V8-powered F8 Tributo. Combined torque output meanwhile is put around 741 Nm, meaning that the 296 GTB can get from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.9 seconds on its way to a top speed of more than 330 kph. Just like the SF90 Stradale, an Assetto Fiorano package is also available for the Ferrari 296 GTB. As well as the new livery you are looking at, it gets a host of weight saving measures to help improve its performance. These include some new carbon fiber trim elements, redesigned panels, plus shock absorbers derived from the Ferrari's GT racing programs. You can also opt for the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires for even more grip. So that is it for today guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, make sure to give this video a like, share this video to your friends, and also follow me on Instagram, link in the description box below. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.